students, how are you? Today I will teach you 10th class topic trigonometric ratio of angle 30 and 60 degree. So we are taking a triangle. What type of triangle? Equilateral triangle. What type of triangle? Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle meaning having both sides are equal and each angle is equal to 60 degree. Understood? So we will discuss about what trigonometric ratio of the angle 30 and 60 degree. So you can say this is a triangle, this triangle ABC. So here AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. Therefore angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C is equal to 60. Understood? This angle of equilateral triangle is how much degree? 60 degree. So this angle also 60 degree. This also 60 degree. This also 60 degree. And we have to show the trigonometric ratio. What's the value of trigonometric ratio of the angle 30 and 60 degree? So you can draw the perpendicular on the opposite side. Yes. Okay. Draw perpendicular bisector of AB on this. Understood or not understood? So this angle how much degree? 90 degree. This angle how much degree? 90. So in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, angle ABD equal to angle ACD is equal to 60 degree. Angle ADB is equal to angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. AB equal to AC. This is given. Given or not given? Given. AD equal to. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent triangle ACD. Understood? Therefore, BD equal to DC. This one did not be here. BD equal to DC by what? CPCT. CPCT means corresponding part of the congruent triangle. So both triangles are congruent to each other. Now erase this. Let AB equal to BC equal to CA equal to 2A. This is equal to what? 2A. This also, this also. Therefore, BD equal to what? BD equal to BC minus BC. So BC 2A and this is A. How much? A. Understood? This is A. We need to find this in triangle ADB. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square by what? Pythagoras. By Pythagoras theorem. Understood this or not? Got it? Now AB square minus BD square is equal to AD square. AB square, AB 2A whole square minus A square is equal to AB square. This is 4A square minus A square is equal to AD square. 3A square equal to AD square. So AD is equal to √3A. A comes outside from the √3. So its value is √3A. Understood? And this angle. Now find out one thing. Sine of 60. This angle is 60 degree. Opposite its perpendicular. You know perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is what? √3A. Hypotenuse 2A. Cancel this. This is explaining √3 by 2. Cos 60. Base by hypotenuse. Base is what? Adjacent side of it. What is that? This building. What's A by 2A? A cancel. It's 1 by 2. Understood or not understood? Understood. Now tangent 60 degree. Tangent 60 is what? Sine 60 degree by cos of 60 degree. Understood? Sine 60 and √3 by 2 into cos 60 1 by 2. This cancel this and √3. Similarly, cotangent 60 degree is equal to cos 60 by sine 60 is equal to 1 by √3. So you can calculate it. Similarly, you can find out the value of what? Cosecant 60. Cosecant 60 is equal to what? 1 over sine 60 is equal to 1 over √3 by which? Secant 60. What's secant 60? 1 by cos of 60. 1 by cos of 60 is equal to 1 by 1 into 2 is equal to. So these are the value of these trigonometric ratio at what degree? 60 degree. Now I want to tell at which degree? 30 degree. Clear this. Same process, no change. So sine of 30. So sine 30 is this. Opposite is this. This is perpendicular. Base is what? This is base. It is its base. It is its perpendicular. And you know perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is what? BD. BD by what? AB. BDA and this is what? 2. This cancel this 1 by 2. Understood? Cos of 30 degree. Cos of what is this? This is base by what's base? AD. AD by what? AD by what? BD. Understood? So, sorry, BD not AB. AD is what? And √3A and this is what? 2A. This cancel, this is meaning √3 by 2. Similarly, tangent 60 degree, 30 degree. Again same process, sine 30 degree by cos of 30 degree. What is sine 30? Sine 30 is what? You know, 1 by 2. Cos 30 and √3 by 2. 2 tangent gives me 1 by 2. Getting or not? Cotangent 30 degree is equal to cos of 30 degree by sine of 30 degree. So what is this cos? Cos is what? This is cos and root 3 by 2 into 1 sine by 2 tangent. Similarly, cosecant 30 degree is equal to 1 over sine of 30 degree. So 1 by sine is what? Sine 30. This is 1 and upper side is equal to 2. Then secant of 30 degree is what? 1 by cos of 30 degree. What is this 1 by? What is 1 into root 3? Its meaning sorry, cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2. And root 3, 2 going outside, it's meaning 2 by 3. These all are the trigonometric ratio of what degree? 30 degree and 60 degree. Understood? 45 degree already told in previous lecture. Now who's left? 0 degree and 90 degree. This I can tell you. If this understood, then no problem is there. Try to understand again and again. Try to show. If any problem, discuss with me anytime. So now I will tell you what trigonometric ratio of what degree angle? 0 degree and 90 degree angle. Like this is a right angle triangle. This is A, B, C. So what happened? If we can decrease this angle, this side also start decreasing like this, like this. Next one, this is A, B, and this is C. Again, what happened? This and this what? This again decrease. Angle A. So what happened? What happened? At last angle A become equal to 0, then become AB equal to AC and BC is what? What's the value of BC? That is 0. So come here. So sine of angle A, you know, perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is its perpendicular. So BC by what? BC. BC by AC. But when A is equal to 0, so BC what will come? BC also becomes 0 by this. 0 by something, always 0. So this is mean sine of 0 degree is equal to 0. Similarly, cos of A is equal to AB by this, or you can say base by hypotenuse. AB by this. When A angle A tends to 0 or becomes 0, these both will become equal. This AC reduce and come here, then angle A becomes. So it's meaning AC by AC cancel out this. Understood? So what is this? Cos of 0. What is 1? Now find out the trigonometric ratio. Tangent of 0. It's you know sine 0 by cos of 0. Sine 0 0, cos 0 1. 0 by something. 0 by something 0. Understood? Similarly, cotangent of 0, cos 0 by sine of 0. It's meaning 1 by 0, which is undefined. Why this is undefined? Reason is this: if you 1 can divide 0, 0, 0, how much you can take? 0, 10, you can take nothing. Similarly, secant of 0. Secant is 1 by cos 0. Cos 0 is 1 by 1, that is what 1. Understood? Similarly, cosecant 0, so 1 by sine of 0, it's meaning 1 by 0, again this is undefined. These are the trigonometric ratio of what angle 0 degree. What degree angle? 0 degree angle. Now I am telling about what? 90. About 90 degree. Erase this. So what happened, beta? Same triangle you can take. Angle is this. Here you can say 20 degree. We are saying exactly don't know. If we can increase its side, this is A, B, C. So this side increase. This side is 40 degree. Again this is A, B, C. Understood or not? Again what happened? This angle becomes 60 degree. So this again need to, this again start increasing. This is 60 degree. A, B, C. Understood or not understood? Understood? This become, when this angle become 90 degree, when this angle become 90 degree, what happened? It is like this. This like this. Understood its meaning? This equal to this. So if A angle become 90 degree, its meaning AC become equal to BC. And AB decrease up to where? 0. When this angle become 90 degree, so its shape is like this. Only like this. This star decreasing. Understood? So I am telling now, you can say sine of A. Sine of A is perpendicular by hypotenuse. What's your perpendicular? BC. What's your hypotenuse? BC. What happened when A equal to 90 degree? BC is equal to BC. This both become equal, then this possible. So what happens? BC by BC. What happened to cos of A? Cos of A, again what? Base by hypotenuse. Base is what? AB. And what? AC. So A become how much degree? 90 degree. A become 90 degree. It's meaning what happened with AB? AB also become AB also become 0 by AC. 0 by something, always 0. Suppose 90 0 in this way. So remaining trigonometric ratios you can find out now what? Tangent 90. Tangent 90 degree is what? Sine of 90 degree by Sine 90. How much? 1. Cos 90. 0. This is again different. Understood? This is now cotangent of 90 degree is what? Cos of 90 degree by sine of 90. What is this? 0? This is 0. So what is it? Similarly, you can find out secant of 90 degree. Secant 90, 1 by cos of 90 degree. So 1 by cos 0. This is again different. Understood? Cosecant of 90 degree is what? 1 by sine of 90. 1 by 1. This is the all about what? About trigonometric ratios at degree 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and what? All about these. On page number 185, table also given. After solving this, after understanding this, easily you can understand this table and easily you can learn. So value of sine A, like this I am saying sine of A, sine 0, 0. 30 degree what? 1 by 2. 40 by 1 by root 2. This is root 3 by 2. 90. Cos of A, start from here 1 and root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2. After this, remaining easily you can find out. Because all remaining trigonometric ratios in the form of what? These two angles. So, example number 6, example number 7, you can try to solve this exercise also. Otherwise, tomorrow we can discuss about this. Today your homework is this. Again, try to find out in your rough notebook all these trigonometric ratio at what degree angle, 0 degree angle, 30 degree angle, 45 degree angle, 60 degree angle, and 90 degree angle. And complete your notebook also. Thank you all of you.